Okay, tunnel friends, let's dig in. The moment has finally arrived. NAMO is now available across multiple chains with one unified liquidity pool on PawChain. In this video, we'll show you how to buy NAMO via the base network and receive it on the BNB network. Head over to swap.pawchain.net, connect your DeFi wallet,
the tunnels run deep, lived a naked monk who loved his sleep. No promises of riches, no
enter the amount you want, and hit swap.
spirit bold. He didn't ask for much, just some friends by his side in a world of his own where he could hide. But the mole knew something deep down in his core. When we all come together, there's so much more.
That's it! You're now a proud NAMO holder on the BNB network. And remember, you can do this from Ethereum, BNB, AVAX, Optimism, Polygon, Arbitrum, and the Cello network. NAMO is the first true multi-chain token. Happy swapping and stay naked!